Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Yesterday, if you had not watched yesterday's video, I request you please go and watch yesterday's videos once. It will give you confidence as to how we are discussing the trade plan, how market will behave and all. I clearly told one point that this is a last leg. We need closures below this in 1 hour time frame. We need closures below this. If we get closures below this, then we can see the market going down all the way. I also told one thing very, very clearly: give time to the market, don't hurry into a trade. What market will do is it will come down, it'll make you think that it is gonna fall, and it will hunt your liquidity and go up all the way, is what I told. So see what happened today in the market. So first 1 hour candle itself, if you see here, it went down all the way. Most people would have entered put. Market will never give you obvious trades. Understand this point very clearly. I even told 15 minutes closure and wait for market to sustain below this level. I told this very, very clearly. First 15 minutes there was a break in this. You could have anticipated to entering puts, but immediate next 15 minutes candle there was a dodgy candle. My trade plan was simple. I was thinking if this low breaks, I will enter at momentum, like on momentum itself. You see this huge pull through with a bullish engulfing candle. It clearly shows that buyers are taking control. So I even told like there are two open supplies which are left out. There are high chances market will hunt both the supplies, and see what happened today. Both the supplies were hunted after grabbing your liquidity. This is the liquidity point I was talking about yesterday's videos very clearly. Anyways, if you had traded today, tell me in the comments whether you had made profit or how was your trading day today. I hope if you had followed yesterday's video, you would have clearly captured this move. If not, like not entered put at all. No, it was not in the plan at all. So for call also, I told one thing clearly, that we will be focusing on call only above 950 level. So even tomorrow, the plan remains the same. We want the supply to be failing, meaning it is even more better if we get closures above this level. So above 950, we can safely enter call if we get closures above this, and if market sustain this level, then we can take the market all the way up to 26,050 being the immediate target. If we get even more bullish momentum tomorrow, then we can see extended targets all the way till previous high, that is around 26,000 200 to 300 range itself we will see tomorrow. The reason why I'm saying we'll see tomorrow is this: if you see in 1 hour chart again, this is a very strong bullish move. Okay, although this was a strong bearish move, this move was even more faster. The momentum of this move is faster. Big green candles has been formed in today's session, so there is a high chance that market will continue this bullish momentum up all the way. So for tomorrow, I would advise keep the quantity size low or manage your positions based on your risk appetite. So this would be the last target which we could possibly see even tomorrow itself. Trust me, this can happen tomorrow itself. Worst case, if you are setting a target of 60 to 80 points or 100 points, you can trail accordingly once your target is being achieved. Immediate targets we can see till 26,050 being immediate targets. If market sustains above that, then the next targets we can keep it at each of these swing points. Like this would be one of the targets, and sorry, yeah, and this could be the another target. Like that we can keep trailing our targets. Okay, so for call option we need closures about 26,950. Put is going to be interesting today tomorrow. Why I'm saying that is, this is the supply which has not yet been broken. Okay, I'll just draw the structure here. You can identify what I'm talking about. So market started here, went up, touched the supply, gave a reaction, touched the supply again, and if we get closures below this level, Meaning if we get closures below 26,840, then we can look for entering puts at small pullbacks itself, and it can reach all the way till 26,000, 25,740 level also. 100 points we can easily target. Why I'm saying 25,740? Understand, this is a demand which the market has not retested yet. This large pull through you see, right? This large pull through has left a open demand which market has not retested. So if we get closures below this level, then we can look for small pullbacks to enter puts. If we get closures above this level, then we can look for small pullbacks to enter call. Simple. Okay. Big gap up, wait for price action. What I mean by price action is see how the market is reacting in big gap up. If it is, wait till at least 10:15 to 10:30 in big gap ups. If the market is above the opening price, then you can comfortably enter call based on the price action. In case of big gap down also, it's going to be very very tricky, because from big gap down, if I see a confirmation like this, I'll be interested in entering call only, because this demand is very very highly likely to be broken, because all the buyers who entered in this place, all the institutional buyers who entered in this place will find this price as a discounted price. So there are high chances market can go all the way till today's high also. So this is the most favorable position for me in case if it opens big gap down tomorrow. Understand, if it is flat and breaking this, only put. If it is big gap down, then if we get confirmation, then call. If market goes down breaking this, I will avoid for tomorrow, because understand one more point. If big gap down happens and if market breaks this, again there will be a liquidity hunt and it can come up all the way. So it is highly risky to enter such trades. We will enter trades only when there is a clarity in our trading setup. Otherwise, we will avoid those trades. I hope this video is helpful for you to learn a thing or two. Please make sure give time to the market. I'm saying this point every day, and also make sure that you don't keep your targets more than 100 to 120 points. If market has already moved 100 points after you wanted to enter a trade, try to avoid the trade as much as possible. Market is not going to go anywhere. It is going to be there forever. Even before you were born, market was there. Even after we pass away, market will be there. So skipping one day of trading, or skipping one proper setup, or FOMOing into a trade, thinking that market will go away without you, those things you can avoid. So mark these two levels in your chart. Um, so sorry. So mark these two levels, 25,950 and 25,840. Above this you can try call, below this you can try put. Okay, between this try to avoid trading. This will be a no trading zone. If you like this video and if you like more such educational content to be available for you, please make sure you like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.